In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Forex Tester online. So the first thing you want to do here when you come to your Forex Tester online, you'll be able to see your chart, and then here, there's all the drawing tools over here, and then at the bottom, if you can see this, this is basically where you can see your open positions, pending orders, stuff like that. So if you don't see it, make sure you drag this up. So if it's down like this, just drag it up, and then you'll be able to see everything down here at the bottom, and you'll be able to put it as high up as you actually want, okay? So that's the first thing you can do. Now, the second one here, of course, you can do your chart analysis. You could go ahead and basically change whatever you want here. You could add on indicators by clicking this button. You can change your indicator templates. You could go ahead and basically change your time frames here, for which I'm going to do 5 minutes right now for this tutorial. And then also you can change the appearance of your chart. You can change the layouts. You could go ahead and change the symbol you're actually viewing right now as well. And you can do pretty much whatever you want here on your chart, some tactical analysis, whatever. And then when you are ready to actually start backtesting, over here you have this testing box, which is the backtesting box, where you can set your speed. So here it's going to basically tell you how quickly you are going right now. And then I'm just going to set the speed to 10x right now, and I'm going to go ahead and hit play. Now, as you can see right now, it's actually doing the replay, and I want it a bit faster, so I'm going to do 60x over here. And as you can see, it's actually going faster right now, and it's basically doing the back testing at the back. Now, if I'm not happy with this speed, I could go ahead and of course make it even faster, and this is now going very quick already. Now, that's the first thing you can do to back test. The second one is you could go forward, so 1 bar forward, 1 candle forward, or you could also go 1 candle back over here, which is also very cool to do. And then this button over here, it says jump to a specific date time. You could go ahead and just select when you want to go to or where you want to go to, and you'll be able to do that very easily. Now, meanwhile, you could also place orders, so we can stop at any point and click on new order at the top or here at the bottom right, and you'll be able to create a new order, market, limit, or stop, sell or buy, whatever you want to do, and then the amount of lots. You can put on stop losses, take profits if you want to, click place order, and your order is going to be placed down here at the bottom, which is also very cool. Now, on the right hand side here, you can also see your watch lists, your economic calendars, your automations, checklists, notes, and whatever you've set up. And yeah, this is pretty much how you use the Forex Tester online. It's honestly quite easy. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.